Okay, minasan konnichiwa, Samurai Engineer Desk. So in this video, we will explain the continuation of Tamaya Digital Planimeter, Planix 7, regarding its symbols, operation keys, and power source. So let us take a look. So for power, so we have the power source here and plug it, then they just plug it here. So let us here is the power port. Okay, so power port. So regarding the power, this planimeter has a dual uh, power source. It could be DC or AC. For DC, the unit contains Ni nickel cadmium battery, which need not be replaced until its charging capacity is reduced. So for several years, you can notice the performance of the battery before to be replaced. So you need to take this screw and then replace the batteries. And the next one is for AC source. This is what we're doing right now. We plug it in AC source, so therefore it operates on AC power with a special adapter plug into available. Right now 220 volts, 60 hertz outlet. So the battery will allow continuous 16-hour operation. Okay. So for 8 hours of charging, so it is possible for 16 hours of operation. Again, 8 hours charging, 16 hours of operation without this. So, and also we can use this power supply while working, while using this device. So we will use this device while it is being plugged on the power supply. So the reason is that when we unplug this, so we can restart. Okay. Okay. And then have the following operation keys. Okay. Start. Start means ready for measurement. So the display must be 0. The display must be 0. But before you press start, we will actually explain the preparatory procedure later on. But just of now, it is 1 because I touch this. So if you touch this encoder, it will move. If you touch this encoder, this is the encoder. If you touch this will register a value. So if you want to start, press start, then this will become 0. Okay. What about, let's see this, you have a value here. Okay. Depending on the direction of the integrating wheel. So it depends on the rotation, direction of the integrating wheel. So if we rotate it Downward, negative. If you rotate upward, positive. Okay. So also we have the operation key hold. So if we press hold, so this value will not be replaced. It will not register anymore. Even if you touch this or even if you rotate the integrating wheel, it will not change. That is the function of hold. Okay. And when we press hold for the second time, okay, it releases the hold and the counting is continued. So encoding meaning counting of pulses. So counting of pulses. So if we press hold at the same time now, it is now available for counting again. Okay, so it is now counting. Okay. Then the next button N is used to measure the same area repeatedly. So if you press this one, meaning we have to measure the same area over and over again, some repetition. Okay, I think the maximum is 9 repetition. And then average is the button when its measurement is stored by pressing the N key. So N meaning you store the value, for example this one, N. And then start again, and then N. Start again, then N. Start again, then N. So start again, then N. And then you can press the average so that it will automatically compute the average. Okay, so this is the average calculated by the device. Okay, so that's the function. Then off, of course, will make the power turn off. When on, power on, or it is also used to clear memory because on is slash C meaning clear memory. Then 0 to 9, this number keys, numeric keys, okay, including the period. Okay. So it's used to encode the values. Okay. And then metric to English selector key. Okay. So if you press this, you need to select which unit, but you can toggle from meter to feet. Okay, or SI unit to English unit. Okay. Scale is input key. This is the input key for scale, while unit selects display unit. So if you press this one, like this one, take a look. So there is now the unit. We are now on cm, m, and kilometer, centimeter, meter, kilometer. If you press this one, it will toggle to English unit. It is inch, feet, and acre. Okay, so if you press again, it will toggle to the SI unit. Okay. And then the last one is F. Ask for scale factor. So scale factor when the scale of the map is 1:n and then is stored as the scale. So you need to input the scale here, and then scale factor is providing for the machine device to ask for the scale factor. Okay. Where n, 1:n, where n is stored here at the scale. Okay, so those are the operation keys. And what about the symbols? So we already know these symbols. When we see bat here, if there is a bat symbol meaning battery, it indicates low level of battery. Okay. If we press hold, Okay, start and then measure and then press hold. So we have hold, meaning this will not change until you press the hold button again. Scale, so if you press scale, okay, so if you press scale, again, since there is no scale inside, so there is no scale. No? So we enter scale, can input the scale here. For example, 100. Okay, input the scale. It's the scale, so it is indicated here with the word scale. Okay, so if you press scale again, okay, I need to start and input the scale by unit. So per unit, so you can actually, this is the unit which indicate the square centimeter. The second one is meter, so I will press it, so it will go to the square meter, then go to the square kilometer. So if you press again, it will go back to square centimeter. Square centimeter again, then square meter again, then square kilometer. Okay. The same is true with English unit. If you press English unit, we have now acre. If you press, it is now square inch. Square inch. If you press again, square feet. So that's how we so if you press this one, it means dual scale. Okay. This is dual scale input key. Okay, so if you press off, therefore it will turn off. Again, this is how we use our planimeter. See you on our next video. This is Dr. EP, Teaching Engineering for Nation Building.